see DPDA. These are three international payment terms that come with three different level of risk for you as an exporter. Let's quickly today understand the difference between all three. Let's start with LC first. Now, LC, letter of credit, this is the gold standard. Now, here buyer banks guarantees your payment. Now, you ship the goods, submit the documents, and you get paid. Now, here banks stand between you and your risk exposure. So, this is the lowest risk. So next is DP. DP is document against payment. You can think of it as cash on delivery for your shipment. Now, in this case, your buyer must pay the bank first to get their shipping documents and release of their cargo. No cash means no document, and no document means no cargo. So it comes under moderate risk. Number three is DA, document against acceptance. Now, this is the case where most of the exporters get burned. In this case, buyer just signs a promise to pay in 60 or 90 days, and he gets shipping documents and goods immediately. If in this case a buyer defaults, the exporter is left with nothing, just a piece of paper. So obviously this is a high risk. Always remember, payment terms don't decide that when you get paid, they decide whether you are protected or not. So always choose wisely and follow Smart Kid with Sangeeta for more smart tips.